so. It won't make sense so. Where am I going to? It's already too late to. I've already come too far.